Are you ready to unlock the building blocks of modern construction? Today, we break down the most powerful pieces in the precast puzzle. From skyscrapers to smart homes, precast elements are transforming the way we build. Stick with me till the end, because you won't believe how versatile these concrete components really are. Welcome to Knowledge Mixture. If you are new on this channel, then subscribe to get more knowledge. What is precast? First things first. Precast concrete elements are factory-made concrete components cast in reusable molds, then transported to the construction site. Why? For speed, precision, and durability. Now we'll discuss each element of precast. So, let's start with precast slabs. These include hollow core slabs, solid slabs, double T slabs. They're perfect for floors and roofs. Why? They reduce dead load and are super quick to install. Next up, beams and columns. These are the backbone of any structure. Precast beams and columns give you flexibility in design and faster structural assembly. Let's talk about precast walls. Load-bearing walls, cladding panels, shear walls. These save formwork time and offer an excellent finish. Also, they help with insulation and acoustic control. Are you imagine precast stairs and landings? Yup, even stairs and landing can be precast. No shuttering, no curing headaches on site. Just place and go. What do you say about boundary wall? Security plus speed equals precast boundary walls. These are widely used in housing societies, schools, and industrial zones. Think about utility structures. Surprised? Precast is also used for manholes, septic tanks, drainage systems. Yes, even what you don't see is precast. Why go precast? Let's quick recap some advantages of precast. Speed, quality control, reduced labor, less site disruption, consistent finish. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more civil engineering insights. Drop a comment. Which precast element do you think is the most game-changing?